Hello guys, welcome back to your app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to pair a replacement receiver with Logitech G733 Lightspeed. So if you're wondering how to exactly do so, there are a few things that you need to do here. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to plug the replacement Logitech receiver into an available USB port on your PC, and also ensure your PC detects it properly. So in this case, it shows up whenever you connect it. Now, what you need to do is you want to turn on your headset here, so press the power button on your G733 Lightspeed headset to turn it on. Now, the headset should automatically try to connect to the receiver as long as it's within the vicinity or it's close by. Then from then on, if the headset doesn't pair automatically, you may need to download and install the Logitech G Hub from the official page from Logitech, which is logitechg.com/ghub. Now, you want to open G Hub here, and it should detect the receiver and the headset, allowing you to manage settings and complete the pairing process. Now, also additionally here, if the headset does not connect, try restarting your PC and repeating the steps, and also make sure the receiver is compatible with the G733 headset. Some Logitech receivers are model specific, so make sure that you get one specifically for G733. Now, in this case, also check the firmware updates on via G Hub here. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to your up. Thank you for watching.